In the fractured lands of ancient Persia, despair reigned. Tribes suffered under decaying empires and fragmented rule. Then, from the heart of hardship, rose Peshwa. He was not born to power, but forged by vision. His message, Mer-e-Insaf, the Son of Justice, ignited hope in every soul. Peshwa united the disparate clans, farmers and thinkers into an alliance he called the Flame of Feroz. They were no longer subjects, but stewards of their own destiny. Tyrants fell, and from the ashes, Noravard emerged. A city of marble, poetry, and new laws, it stood as a testament to their unity. Peshwa, hailed as savior, refused the crown. He chose instead the title, Voice of the People. Among the war's orphans, he adopted a child, Gada Singh, raising him not as a prince, but as a student of justice. A golden age began, yet with it, the subtle, creeping shadow of power. Years turned the Flame of Feroz into a state religion. Peshwa, once a challenger of thrones, became the unchallenged. Dialogue gave way to statues. Councils, once vibrant with debate, now whispered only consent. Freedom was no longer lived, but meticulously managed. Gada Singh, a quiet observer with a sharp mind, watched this transformation. People waited for palace permission to build schools. Physicians needed royal papers to heal. Justice answered not to truth, but to proximity to power. Gada saw the decay, but his resistance was silent. He established networks of charity, disguised as temples, clinics, and schools. These were not mere acts of service. They were acts of profound resistance. He called it the Nizam, a movement for local governance. Each village council took charge of its own justice, healthcare, and education. No palace, no decree, just people serving people. Peshwa initially dismissed the Nizam as harmless, but it grew, not with banners, but with bread. It spread not with speeches, but with medicine, kindness, and teachers who sought no one's permission. What began as local charity became a parallel system. One day, Peshwa found a child receiving medicine in a village clinic. Etched on the wall were 3 words, "We govern ourselves." An old woman revealed the truth. "Your son, Gada Singh, runs this place." Peshwa confronted him. "You disobey me." Gada replied, "I obey the promise you once made. You spoke of justice, unbound, unbought. But your justice now sleeps behind guards and scrolls. I have not rebelled, I have remembered." That night, Peshwa walked the streets of Noravard, alone. He saw what he had become, a man admired, but no longer trusted. He returned to the great assembly and announced, "I built a flame and then feared its burn. Let the Nizam rise, let the people govern. Let us return not to my voice, but to the voice of the village, of the healer, the teacher, the judge who knows their names." He stepped down, not in shame, but in profound clarity. Gada Singh never claimed his father's mantle. Instead, he became keeper of the Nizam, ensuring no one person ever held too much power. Etched upon the new Hall of Pillars in every community was this creed: "We do not wait for kings. We are not ruled by mobs. We are guided by the weight of our own conscience, and we return to the righteous path each time we ask not what others must do, but what we ourselves must become."